The readings on the forward mooring station are slightly off.
Let's double check the calibration after lunch.
That's tight enough. Check the adjacent container lashing.
Already done. We are good to go.
Tether secured.
Checklist complete. Crane, you are clear to lift.
The readings confirm it, sir. It matches the manifest.
P15. So it really is the one we've been looking for.
Are the connections secure on the yellow line?
Yes, they are locked in place.
All right, let's power up the console now.
Contact bearing 045.
Solid copy. Range is closing. We are secure.
The deep ocean holds countless secrets. But as the ROV approaches the target, the readings intensify.
Bring her to a hover now. Watch the proximity sensors.
Reading you, Captain. The structural integrity is compromised.
Surface to sub, you are clear for approach.
Roger that, surface. Approaching the container now.
Zoom in on the container structure, just below the superstructure.
Copy that. Adjusting course now. The readings are stabilizing.
We have visual on the target.
Acknowledged. Hold position while we scan the markings.
The target trajectory is stable, proceeding with approach.
Acknowledged. Maintaining depth.
We have visual confirmation on the container. Preparing for docking sequence.
Reviewing final coordinates now.
Sonar indicates clear approach vector, proceeding as planned.
Surface, this is Dive 1, confirming target acquisition.
Copy that. Dive 1. Crane is engaged. Lowering tether now.
Look at this return right here. It's definitely stronger than the last pass.
I see that. Let's mark it and keep tracking the drift.
All gauges in the green. B2 is secure and ready for deployment. Requesting clearance to launch. Over. Bridge, we are clear of the deck. Continue slow hoist.
Copy that, Supervisor. Hoisting to 50 feet. Okay, easy now. Bring her up another 10 feet and hold position. Wind's picking up slightly on the port side.
Cable tension steady at 5,000 psi.
Confirmed. We have successful deployment.
Tension holding steady. We are good to proceed.
Confirmed. All parameters nominal.
Aligning on the locking mechanism. Camera 2, zoom in.
Zooming in now. Looks secure.
Initiating release sequence. Stand by for pressure equalization.
Keep the suction clear, I'm getting resistance.
Copy that. Watching the sediment build up now.
Surface, we are secure. Ready for tension.
Copy that. Starting ascent.
The main lights are fading.
Easy now, take the slack up slowly.
Cables are tight. We are good to lift.
Tension steady. Hold it there. Copy that. Almost clear. Clear the deck, we're bringing it in. Watch the swing, stabilize the load. Set her down, easy, easy.
Secure the forward hatch. We've got water ingress.
Already on it. Watch your footing.
DB11 is fully secured. Just confirm the manifest one last time.
Yes, Supervisor. All checks passed. Ready for transit.
Lost to the ocean, but not forgotten. Lost to the ocean, but not forgotten.